Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do my eyebrows and how are they so dense. So I thought of doing a video for you guys wherein I am going to tell you 10 genius ways to get your brows done in those perfect shape. So guys, the first thing we need to take care of is what are we working with and what kind of eyebrows do we have. Like if I talk about my eyebrows guys, they are highly dense here. They have little bit of sprouts here and they have trial hair. So like this, we have so many type of eyebrows. Like we have roughly, they are categorized into 9 types, and here one by one I am going to discuss all of the types first of all.
So guys, there are eyebrows with no arc, then there are unruly eyebrows. The third one is thick eyebrows with the sprouts, and the fourth is round eyebrows. Over tweezed eyebrows, then comes the thick eyebrows. After that comes the patchy eyebrows and eyebrows on a small forehead.
So guys, the second thing we need to take care of is what type of face shape do we have, so that we can pick out the perfect shape of our eyebrows, which is going to define our face features so much better for us. So guys, like I have a round face, the type of eyebrows which is going to suit my face the best is the arched one. So I have arched eyebrows. So there are different types guys, and then we need to see what kind of face do you have and what kind of eyebrows are going to perfectly suit you, so that you can pick out the best shape for you and you can get those perfectly looking eyebrows.
So guys, first of all, on the square face, these are the kind of eyebrows which suits well. Heart shape should have this kind of brows. Round face, obviously the arched one. Long face should have shorter brows, and then oval face should have full brows.
So guys, the third thing is, as we have thumb rules in mathematics and physics, we do have those kind of rules in fashion and in beauty as well. So there is a thumb rule for your eyebrows. Yes guys, there is one. So that is, these lines of your nostrils should line up with the starting of your brows here. Like this should be perfectly inclined and be symmetrical with this, like this kind. And I'm going to put a picture to make you understand better. So guys, the fourth thing I am going to talk about is, whenever you pluck your eyebrows, just make sure that you line them using a pencil, using a brow pencil, so that you don't overdo it. So here I'll be telling you how. So guys, the sixth tip is, whenever you do your eyebrows, just make sure that you have your mirror so that you can till here, so that you can get a whole picture of your face and you do not make any blunders. So guys, the seventh tip is, once you are done plucking your hair, just make sure that you use this poly brush to brush your eyebrows in the upward motion. So any hair which comes to the brow line can be trimmed using a pair of scissors. Guys, once you are done with all of these things, just make sure that you apply a little bit of astringent to your skin so that it doesn't cause any kind of infection, because it has antibacterial properties. And also you can apply a little bit of aloe vera gel in case that you get those red bumps kind of a thing. Then you can apply a little bit of ice to the area so that pores can be closed back and you can get all the beautiful skin around your brows. So guys, the ninth thing I'm going to tell you guys is that when you use a brow pencil, just make sure that you give little stroke which mimic your hair and give you those natural looking perfect brows. the 10th tip is, if you do not have dense eyebrows, then you can use some serum to get those naturally looking dense eyebrows, because it definitely helps, guys. When it gets all those nourishment and all those natural oils, it helps in making your hair grow thicker and denser. And I made a video about it a few days back, and link to this video I'm going to leave in the description box below. And you can apply it over a period of time. You need to have just a little bit of patience, and if you go by it, it is going to give you those naturally looking denser brows. And if you can't wait to get them, just you can use some eyelash extensions which are available in the market, and then they're going to work perfectly for you. So guys, this was all for today's video, and if you have any queries related to this, let me know in the comments down below. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel now if you haven't already yet, and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And also make sure to follow me on my social media, link to which I am going to leave in the description box below. Also make sure that you chase your dreams every day, and do not let anyone tell you that your dreams are not possible. And I am going to see you in my next video. Bye guys. Beautiful eyebrows for yourself. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you 10 ways from recognizing the shape of your eyebrows to getting them done perfectly till the end. So what is the if you do not have those dense eyebrows you always desire for, then you can get them, but all you need to do is make a serum for it. So I made a serum for my guys,